In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step formula you can use to copy and paste your way to $4,000 or more per month. I'm going to share with you every single step you need to know, including the exact product to promote for free, how to find incredibly targeted leads using a totally free software that most people don't even know about. Then I'm even going to give you the link to a copy-paste script I created so you can just send that to those leads to start to convert them into sales as soon as today. And the best part is all the links are going to be directly below in the description, so you can literally follow me over the shoulder and start to get results as soon as possible. What's going on? Garrett here, back again with another powerful video. Now, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, before I dive into the step-by-step formula, if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button. That tells me you want me to make more videos just like this. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive into the very first step. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to share with you the exact product you can promote. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called partnerstack.com. Now, the cool thing about this website is that they have all these different programs and products that you can actually partner with. So you can actually join a number of different programs using the method I'm going to share with you in this video. But like I said, I'm going to share with you the exact product that I would promote if I was doing this method, so you can go ahead and start immediately. So you want to go to partnerstack.com and you want to scroll down and you want to click want to join partner programs. Okay, so once you click that, it's going to take you to here, and then we just want to click explore the marketplace, because like I said, this is going to give us all these different programs that we can possibly join. Now, they have all these different categories: accounting, development, e-commerce. Really, the sky is the limit. But what I recommend you do is you go up here and you type in 𝐷𝐸𝐶𝐬. Now, this is the exact product that I recommend you promote. The cool thing about this product is all you have to do is get someone to actually create an account, and you can get paid $30. They don't even have to buy anything. That's why this is very simple, and you can start to generate income as soon as today. So you want to click on that, and once you're here, you want to actually apply to program. But you can see right here that they have a lot of positive benefits. Like I said, you can earn $30 for every qualified account connection. So using the copy paste script and that free software I'm going to share a little bit later in this video, you're going to have floods of people rushing to create an account, and you're going to be stacking up these $30 referrals and the commissions. You can also earn $69 for every plus purchase. So if someone does decide to actually buy once they create an account, you can earn an additional $69. And then you can see that they have these subscription sales with the basic level and the pro level. So what we're going to do is we're going to click apply to program right there. And then what you want to do is you just want to click I have read and agree to the terms of service. The terms of service is basically standard. Okay, there's no hidden loopholes or anything like that. You don't have to worry. And then just click confirm. Okay, now once you do that, you're going to get taken to your dashboard with this specific affiliate program with 𝐷𝐸𝐶𝐬. Now what we want to do is you want to go to the links tab, and we want to actually create a custom link. Now, what I recommend you do is you type in add voucher, okay, or something like that. Now, it may already be taken. If it is, you can just create something like that. Free add voucher. Now, you may wonder what this means. I'm going to share with you in just a second why this is relevant to making $4,000 or more a month with this specific program. So we want to type that in, and we just want to hit create. Now this is going to create our custom link, and you can see right there, okay, it did add a few numbers to the end, meaning that was already taken, but not to worry. We're going to come back to this, and we're going to use this link in just a second to start to generate income. Now, the cool thing about 𝐷𝐸𝐶𝐬 and the angle that we're going to take to get a ton of people to sign up and start to generate those $30 referrals is they actually offer $125 in free ad credit. Okay, now it's using Microsoft Bing ads, which I've actually covered on my channel, a full tutorial. These are basically ads that show up on the Bing search engine, and we can actually approach businesses and offer this free ad voucher, and they can actually sign up to access that voucher. And when they sign up to 𝐷𝐸𝐶𝐬, our benefit is we're going to be able to generate $30 per person. Okay, so who would actually want this $125 free ad voucher? Well, obviously businesses. Okay, there's massive amount of businesses online that want to actually run ads, and we can approach them offering this and get them to sign up. Now, you may be wondering, what type of businesses, right? Well, in this video, I'm gonna actually be targeting travel agents. If you don't know what a travel agent is, it's basically people that help other people find out flights and different places to travel to. These people are independent business owners typically, and they're struggling to get clients, so they're great for this method. Now, you could use construction workers, restaurant owners. You want to think about independent solo entrepreneurs and approach those people because they're always wanting to grow their business. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the type of business and we're going to follow it by @gmail.com followed by ". Now, like I said, you could fill this in with any type of business. I want you to really expand your mind and scale this to the moon. So I could do construction workers @gmail.com. I could do restaurant owner space @gmail.com. So like I said, the sky is the limit. This is the format you want to actually follow. But like I said, if you want to just copy me, we're going to do travel agents and we're going to copy that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to google.com. Okay. And this is incredibly powerful and almost no one knows about this. So what you can do is you can actually go ahead and in this search bar, we can paste that text and then I can hit Google search. Now, what is this code, this little, quote with @gmail.com? What does this actually do? Well, what this does is this actually shares with us all the search results of travel agents and their Gmail email address. Okay, so this is literally filtering and giving you massive results. You can see that it's sharing 31 million results. That's 31 million email addresses that you can go ahead and use with this powerful method. Now, rather than manually going through here and trying to copy people's emails and do all that, I'm about to share with you the exact free online software you can use to scrape all these people's emails so you can build a massive list of targeted leads that are going to be interested in getting that free ad voucher so you can start to rake up $30 commissions and hit that $4,000 a month very easily. Now, before I dive into that free software, again, if you're loving this video, be sure to smash the like button if you haven't. That's going to tell me to make more videos just like this one. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you this powerful free software. And again, all the links are going to be directly below. This website and software is called extractemailaddress.com. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually use this website, this tool, and it's going to scrape all these email addresses. So how do we do this? Okay, so you want to go back to the Google search right here. And if you're on a computer, what you want to do is hit Control-U. This is going to share with us the source code of that website. Now, if this seems technical, just take these steps very simple, step by step, rewatch the video a few times, but it's very, very simple, okay? So once you see the source code, you just want to highlight all the text. You can do that with Control-A. And then you can just right click and hit copy. Now, once you copy the source code, we want to go back to extractemailaddress.com and we want to actually paste all that text into this box here. Now, the cool thing is with this free software, it automatically goes through all that code and it extracts all the email addresses. You can see them all right here. These are all email addresses of travel agents that we can use for the next step in the method. Then what you want to do is copy that list of email addresses, which are just very targeted leads. These are travel agents that are probably struggling with marketing. And then what we want to do is go to a website called convert.town. And this has a free tool which will actually add commas after all of the emails, which is very important for the next step. Okay, so we just want to paste it into that first box there, and then it automatically adds commas. So this is very, very important. And then we can actually go ahead and copy this to the clipboard like that. Now, the next step is we want to actually go to our Gmail, or if you have an email inbox, okay, whether it's Yahoo, we want to go there, okay? But I'm going to be using Gmail, and we want to actually create a new email. And what we want to do is under 2, we want to actually click BCC, because what that's going to do is that's going to send this email to these email addresses individually. So if they respond, we're not actually going to have everyone see the responses from other people, and we can send one email to all these people, okay? So I can go ahead and paste the list to all these emails. Now, sometimes, if the email address isn't correct or they didn't find it, we can go ahead and X out the red, Okay, so you just want to go ahead and do that. Okay, now once you go through and you X out all the email addresses that weren't correct, you're going to have a list of targeted travel agents or whatever type of business owner you're actually targeting for this method. Now, the next step is we want to go to that copy paste email message that I actually created for you. And again, all the links and info are directly below this video in the description, but we're actually going to go to this Google document here, and we're just going to take the subject, okay, and we're going to copy that subject, and we're going to go back to Gmail, and we're going to paste that in as the subject right there. Now for the body of the email, we're gonna go here and we're just literally gonna copy this body like that, and we're gonna go back to the email and paste it in. So this is literally a very, very high converting email that you're gonna be able to send to all these people at one time. Now, all you have to do is go through where it says link to free ads credit. We're gonna go back to Partner Stack, and that link that we created, we're gonna copy that, and we're gonna go back to the email, and we're just gonna go ahead and paste that in just like that. Now there's one other area, we wanna paste it like there, and we just want to edit slightly, okay? So where it says contact me at, you want to put your email address in case someone has questions. And then right here, all the best, and you want to put in your name, okay? So for me, it's, you know, Garrett Berry. And then once that's good, okay, we have all the lists of those targeted leads, we have the subject line, we have the body, you just want to click send. And what that's going to do is that's going to send this email to all those people at one time, and you're going to start to have people go to the link, and when they just create a free account to access the ad voucher, you're going to start to generate $30 commissions, and you'll be able to see them in the summary of your back office. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value and you learned how to generate $4,000 or more per month. Once again, be sure to smash the like button to let me know. Also comment below, yes, this helped me, if you actually have light bulbs going off and you're excited to go out there and apply this method. Last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate program to actually promote that will pay you up to $1,000 per commission, even while you're sleeping, you'll be able to set it up passively as I share in that video. Be sure to go to the first link under this video and check that out while it's still available. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.